Okay, today I'll be unboxing the iPhone SE 2020. I'm going to be opening the black version with 256 gigabytes because I tend to run out of storage quite fast. So, nice wrapping here like always. They do extremely well with packaging. There is a little dent right here, but that's not in the world as long as the phone's good. So, just comes with the normal stuff, Apple stickers, some instructions. Here's the iPhone itself. Ooh, just like an iPhone 8, except the Apple logo is in the center and no writing. Of course, it has iPhone 11 specs in it. Okay, I'm gonna set the phone to the side. It'll slip off very easily on this thing, so I have to be careful. Here's the regular headphone jacks. And then the power cord, and then just the 5-watt charger. Very nice. So I have to re-angle. Very nice. Well, I will be doing a better review later. Thank you.